Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Sorry. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful. I tell her every day. I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she won't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.